What's going on? Welcome back. Today for you I'm showing a 7-inch Ozark Trail folding knife. Let's check this out. Actually got this as a gift. It was a sale item at one of the stores. So I figured I'd get on here and show you this because the color, the texture, everything about it is pretty cool. It's nothing extravagant. It is an inexpensive blade to have, to use for whatever you might use it for, whatever you might have. Just real quick, just reading off of the back little list here. We got a 3-inch stainless steel blade. It has a 4-inch handle, a liner lock, and a pocket clip all on it. So I've already cut out the bottom of the plastic just to be able to get this thing out of the package here. So take it out of the package. There it is. We don't need that. Got your little plastic tip on the end to protect any kind of bite. Yeah, actually this thing is very, very light on the hand. It's sharp. The blade does have a bite. Just touching it to the fingernail there, all the way down. The tip, not so much, but very, 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 very sleek. Very sleek design. You check that out there. Very sleek design. Actually, pretty well balanced. You could see there. Pretty well balanced. It's very light. With this type of material, this handle is, I just couldn't pronounce it. Poly something. Yeah, you got your clip on the back there, your belt clip. It's actually pretty strong, but also very easy to use. It has a big lip on there to be able to ensure that you're getting it clipped on to wherever you want to clip it on, either inside the pocket or actually onto the belt area. I prefer inside the pocket with the clip on the outside of the pocket. Very easy to find, easy to get a hold of for when you need to ever get a hold of it. So it has your little piece there. And it doesn't actually, it's not spring, so kinda got to. That's actually good because in certain areas, if you were able to just kind of get it out very easily, that could mean a fun possible weekend that nobody wants to deal with. So it's kind of tight, but it's not too bad once it opens up. And you can see the red accents there. So I point that out where I read because you see on the inside there, that is your lock. So that is what you would hold over to be able to close it back up. So you can see there, 4 inches closed. Then you have your 3-inch blade there. It says 3-inch. And yeah, I mean, this thing is very, very light. You would almost not even feel it once you put it in, clip it onto the inside of your pocket. You're almost never gonna know it's there. Like, someone's keys probably weighs more than this thing. Ozark Trail. Little 7-inch foldable, black, lightweight, sleek looking blade. This thing is sweet. Little red accents, just for visual type, kind of breaks up the whole thing. It's just something to look at. And even on the back there, kind of have a loop that goes through both sides of the handle for a lanyard type if you kind of got that going on. But you can have a lanyard or a wrist strap there so that you would never drop this in a situation you don't want to drop it in. So this thing right here is all I wanted to show you. If you like this video, hit that like button down below, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. It'll tell you every time new stuff's coming your way. Thanks for watching. Take care.